It's 2004, Britney Spears is wearing a crop top, the iPod mini is the coolest thing in tech, Facebook just launched, and search engine optimization was basically just invented. 2004 is the year from which many people still take their SEO advice. It's been 20 years since then, and it's time to figure out what old SEO tricks you are following and why they might be destroying your Google rankings. Hi, my name is Philippa and I'm a content creator at One.com. We have been hosting websites since 2002, and this is what our website looked like in 2004. Yeah, a lot has changed since then, and honestly, it was a weird time for SEO. People did anything to get to the top of Google, and it worked, at least until 2011. Modern SEO basically began in 2011, when Google started focusing on content quality and penalized websites that focused more on manipulating the algorithm and less on creating useful content. The update that started it all was called Panda. Great name, by the way. I mean, who doesn't love a good panda? Bamboo trees, I guess? But anyway, Panda and its sibling Penguin, released in 2012, introduced a big focus on stopping spammy websites and promoting quality. For the first time, Google could aggregate results from across pages and effectively demote an entire website if it was deemed spammy. This meant that many aggregation websites and websites that used scummy techniques saw sharp declines in traffic. Websites focusing on quality were usually promoted. Panda was a reaction to a search industry full of low-quality content, and there's still a lot of bad advice going around from that time. Here are 5 things people did to manipulate Google that you might be doing right now that can collapse your search rankings. Keyword stuffing is a technique where you stuff a keyword into every nook and cranny of a page. An article about Shrek 2, the most important movie from 2004, would have Shrek 2 in the title, in every H2, every H3, every paragraph and every sentence. Back in the day, Google could be fooled into thinking that a page with 100 mentions of the same keyword was more relevant than a page with 10 mentions. Today, it's the other way around. Google can identify keyword stuffing as a spammy behavior and rank down your page. Google can easily understand the content of your page to rank it in relevant searches. You should still mention your keyword in your text, but write for your readers, not for a 20-year-old Google algorithm. On to number 2. This is a good one. I'm sure you have seen websites that have reviews and perhaps the author's name displayed in the Google results. Back in the day, these small pieces of info were considered strong signals of authority. It makes sense. Someone who is willing to show their name may seem more reliable than someone who doesn't. The fact that 32 people voted 5 of 5 stars for a page seemed great. Was this abused? Of course. Manipulating reviews and using fake author names with computer-generated content was not rocket science, even in the days before ChatGPT. Google caught on and demoted pages that were abusing the author and review features. You can still use metadata tags for your website. Reviews are common for things like recipes, and authorship can be relevant, but don't misuse them. Don't generate 1,000 AI articles for your hamster cage store and stick some random author's name to all of them. In fact, don't generate fully automated AI pages at all. If you want to learn how to use AI in a responsible way that will save you time without spamming the web, check out this video where we create a website using an AI website builder. Bad links are bad. That makes sense. And it has always made sense. But at some point, you could manipulate Google with a bunch of manufactured links. Some people set up hundreds of fake websites to link to their one important website. Some went to forums and comment sections to insert backlinks, and others just bought backlinks from cheap, spammy websites. Back then, even sketchy links could have a positive effect. Today, Google can recognize bad links and spammy behavior. If you get enough spammy links, your rankings can take a hit. Good links are still important, of course. A nice referral from a trusted website in your industry can make a huge difference. So don't think backlinks are no longer relevant. They absolutely are. But don't spam your website with low quality links. If you need help ensuring you don't over-optimize your page, check out Rank Math Pro, the all-in-one SEO tool for WordPress. If you start WordPress website with us at One.com, we offer a one-click install with Rank Math and an exclusive Rank Math deal. Check it out in the description below and use the offer code WPVideo for an extra 25% off your hosting for the first year. Time for number 4. Typing is hard, and back in the day, SEO specialists abused it in weird ways. They created pages with weird misspellings not to miss out on misspelled keywords. An online store selling computer parts might create pages for Dart Drive and Guard Drive to catch people misspelling hard drive. Misspelled keywords were included not only in titles but also in URLs and sometimes even in domain names. That doesn't work today, as Google can understand when people misspell common search terms. In a similar move, some people got domains to target specific keywords like thebestcatfood.com. A relevant domain name can be useful today as well, but there's no need to get a domain name for every keyword you want to target. It's more important to have good and relevant content. Okay, it's time for the 5th old SEO trick, but stick around because we have a bonus round coming up. If you want to reach the top of Google today, you need to know about search intent. Check out this video to learn more, but in short, search intent is the intention people generally have when searching for something. People who are searching for best kitchen cleaner probably want a review or comparison. And people who search for kitchen cleaner ingredients are probably looking for information. To get to the top spots on Google, you need to match your content with the search intent of a keyword. Back in the day, Google wasn't very smart about understanding intent. That meant you could sneak your online store into results about kitchen cleaner ingredients and hope to sell more. If you try to do that today, you'll probably have a hard time reaching the top spot. That's our top 5, but we didn't want to stop there. So here's a lightning round of 3 SEO tricks that have really aged poorly. Over-optimized anchor text. Don't include the same text for a link to a page over and over. Creating hundreds of links with the same anchor text of the best organic snail repellent is too specific and spammy. It may have worked before, but it doesn't anymore. Footer links used to be a big deal. Just stick all important links in the footer. No one reads them anyway. Yeah, Google kind of stopped caring about them too. Hidden text and links. This is a fun one. People used to include keywords as text with the same color as the background. That way, the hidden keywords wouldn't bother the readers, but Google could read them. That's coincidentally the same strategy I used with my teachers when I forgot to do my homework. Nah, I totally did my homework. It's just search engine optimized. Only Google can read it. Now that we have told you what you shouldn't do, maybe it's time to figure out what you should do. If you want a SEO tips video, hit the like button and maybe we can make one for you. If you want to grow your website, subscribe as we have a lot more coming up. See you in the next one. Bye!